It's like dead asleep.
It's tipped over. Dude, check this out.
Oh, look at you.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh man, that's a nice one.
I'm pro now. Dude, it was $30 actually.
That's a good deal. That's sick. That's super smart. Yeah, I brought the big bag today, full of stuff. Dude, I'm so jealous of your tire setup. That's so clean.
How come you chose those?
Those just, that's what was on the bike.
Oh.
It's just the stock tires. I have Shinkos showing up. This one actually.
Dude, that's the cheapest tire on the market right now.
Yeah, it is.
$90.
I bought front and rears.
Of those?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, no.
But I kind of wish I didn't buy them at all. I wish I got something different in the front and something different in the rear, but it's all good. They were cheap, that's why I did it. What's that?
You gotta do a billion.
Yeah, I know, right? More reason to burn them out.
Vehicles missing?
What's up?
Is any of his vehicles here, not here?
Yeah, his Toyota. He's driving around in his Tundra, or his buddy's Tundra. I bet. I didn't think about that till you just said something. Son of a b****.
I think she saw you guys coming real tight, and then she kind of got over, and I was like, thank God, I don't want to try to fucking put this dude's
All right, Hope Valley.
Yeah.
You want to just go like to the end of the highway, the end of 88,
How's that?
and shoot back?
like the T.
Well, yeah, where the T is. We'll see what's falling out, and
Okay.
we'll pull over there regardless and play it by ear, I guess.
Yeah. All right.
Cool. Oi. Oi. Yeah, it got cold, didn't it?
Could barely keep up with you guys.
Dude, this is so much faster than that shadow. I've done that lap like on the shadows so many times. I know, like, this thing had room to go too. Oh man, I'm so stoked on the 1200. That's so sick.
Yeah, you fucking when we hit Christmas Valley, you guys fucking took off, dude. And I'm like full throttle, fifth, like 4th gear, and I'm like,
come on.
there's no way I'm fucking catching up to you.
I know, for a second I looked back and I didn't see it. I was like, oh fuck. And then I saw you come, like, I was coming out. I was like, oh, thank God.
I totally forgot about that. The difference, the 883 compared to the 1200.
It's okay.
I'm shocked compared to this.
And that's the thing is, like, when I go that fast, I get nervous on my bike just because I'm like, I feel like the bike's just blowing.
Yeah, right.
Like, it feels like it's just screaming at me, you know what I mean?
Oh, yeah. There was early on, I kept hearing, like, when we were going to Zach's house and shit, I kept hearing like popping, and I'm like, well, hopefully that goes away. But I think it was my wallet chain getting stuck in the tire in the fender, and like one little link going ping ping ping, getting like caught in it and like shooting out, because I like changed my chain up and I didn't hear it anymore. But I was just thinking, like, oh, I'm gonna get sucked in.
What's that?
Do you know what's the normal oil pressure?
No, that's a good question. I mean, is it moving around your bike?
Gauge, but I never know. It's like I have it, but I don't know how to
check mine.
How to know.
I just, if it's moving around, you're, oh, I don't want to open it, but if it's moving around, I think you're good. That's always been my rule of thumb.
Like fucking water in it.
Yeah, I saw that at the gas station.
Inside the gauge?
Yeah.
Don't they have
just
oil?
Condensation or?
Oh shit.
Sometimes
I mean,
they have
yours
oil.
is at, what does it say? Like 130, 140?
Yeah, yours is about there, isn't it?
Yeah, like at 150.
Fancy fucking oil meters. Must be nice.
Yep.
No one's leaking? What is this?
Oh, I leak.
What is
She's
this?
gotta sit a little bit. Look, you see?
Oh,
the little-
fuck. Oh, no! No! Oh. Fuck. We got a leaker, folks.
But that's just the breather.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I wonder if mine's pissing out the breather. This is like the hottest the bike's ever gone.
But yeah, I leak primary fluid.
See, mine leaks out of the breather. Really? It'll drip out of here. See, it's all over my. And then it'll slowly drop on this fucking thing and drops on here.
Yeah. With that.
I think I gotta. So they have that one that Prism makes, where it's just like the cover. Do you think I have to rejet it for that?
I mean, yes and no, but
You might not.
yeah.
Because I'm just thinking more of just the elevation.
Yeah, like
And
the
then
elevation, I
dropping
feel
down?
like fucks it up too.
Do you know
just
what
through
you're
lack
at?
of air is whatever came on that.
Really?
So just the stock ones.
I'm on 200 for the
I'm assuming
whatever the 200 one is.
the tweaker probably didn't change them.
45. But I think my yeah, it's too big to I kind of plateau on 50.
Going up here, you want less fuel because we're starving for air at elevation in Tahoe. If you actually wanted to tune to that. I never did on my Shadow, to be honest. And then no matter what, it didn't matter because every time I left the basin, the bike would just run that much better.
Once you get out of the city,
Yeah.
dude, it's so nice.
It's like 10 horsepower just dropping down the side.
When I used to take
Crazy.
my WRX off the hill, as soon as I got down, it's like, whoa! I'm like,
Oh,
fuck
yeah.
yes, dude. Like,
Really?
Because the air.
driving to
Dude.
Sacramento on my WRX, I was just like cranking that thing, and like you get up here, and it's just like.
And I've been told you can tune for it, like tune it out, but I don't know.
It's just one of those things. Like I get like the yes and no, and I'm just like, I might just throw it on there and see what it fucking does.
I would just do it, yeah.
I'm tired of that fucking thing. I don't know if it's just like, I feel like it's like sucking in air, but then it's like, it like feels like it's getting clogged up or something. Because it looks like it's been like shrinking in right there.
It's oh, it's just a hit. It's hit right there. Probably from your old foot position. You know? These types of filters eventually always get dented up. Like they always kind of, because they're meant to be like reusable and like clean. Yeah. You can clean them and throw them back on there and shit. but they end up just looking like this. Mine's brand new and mine looks like that. It's under that dog dish. If I were to pull that dog dish off, it still is like kind of
You
wavy
make
and
like
shitty.
Oh, you got the cat piece in?
yeah.
The fat cat.
That's for Smeg that died. Piece of paint. Dude, I just cut these fucking covers off. I'm so glad I did. There's so much chrome on the bike.
Plus, he's more.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what I want to do with this bike. I definitely want to get a new exhaust.